I chose FranklinWH aPower over other manufacturers' batteries just simply due to the reputation that we've seen as installers as being one of the more reliable options for homeowners. Just being in the field and installing these units, I've seen the build quality and overall customer satisfaction at the end of the project has been higher than compared to other projects I've completed. The part that impressed me most installing the new FranklinWH aPower system is its all-in-one format and its ease of access in the wiring compartments. Everything is front-facing and easy to access. Everything's labeled super nicely, so it means less equipment on the wall, faster installs, easier servicing.
One of the really important things for a lot of our homeowners is that these products that they're utilizing are efficient, reliable, but also that they're cost effective. One of the advantages of the aPower product, for situations where it's not needed, you don't have to have module level power electronics. You can minimize the cost burden on the homeowner by providing a battery and inverter integrated product. Our customers expect that when they have a battery installed, that it's going to be ready to perform when they need it most. And the low failure rates from FranklinWH have been consistent with the results that we've seen in the field.
At Cape Fear Solar Systems, our motto is installing solar, instilling confidence, and the FranklinWH aPower is something I felt confident installing on my home.